Life insurance isn't just a policy, it's peace of mind for the people who matter most.
Life insurance is like a financial safety net. You pay a small amount regularly, and in return, your loved ones receive financial support when they need it most.
These funds can help replace lost income, pay off debts like a mortgage or car loan, cover funeral expenses, and even support future goals like a child's education or leaving a legacy. And the best part, the sooner you start, the more affordable it can be.
Life insurance isn't just for later in life, it's for today, and every day you want your loved ones protected. For a deeper dive, read our full blog post at Ashley Insurance Agency.
Contact Ashley Insurance Agency today, and let's protect what matters most together.
Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to learn more, check out our other videos right here, or click the link below to read the full blog post we mentioned today. And if you're ready to talk about protecting your family's future, you'll also find a link in the description to schedule a time to chat with us at Ashley Insurance Agency.